Surah Al-Baqarah Ayah 17.
مثلهم كمثل الذي استوقد نارا فلما أضاءت ما حوله ذهب الله بنورهم وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون.
Translation. Their example is like one who kindled a fire, but when it illuminated everything around them, Allah took away their light and left them in darkness, unable to see. What does this ayah mean? Imagine you're in a dark forest and you light a campfire to see. But suddenly, the fire goes poof and disappears, leaving you in total darkness. You can't even see your own hands. This ayah is about people who try to light their own fire, like ignoring Allah's guidance and following their own rules. At first, they think they're smart, but their fire doesn't last. Allah takes away their fake light, and they're left lost in the dark. What are the lessons coming out from this ayah? Always follow Allah's guidance. It's like a forever bright flashlight. Don't be tricked by things that seem cool but don't last, like lying or being mean. Allah's light is the real light. Never let it go out. This ayah uses the metaphor of a fleeting fire to describe those who reject divine guidance, huda, and rely on their own flawed logic, desires, or arrogance. Their temporary light, worldly success, pride, or false beliefs eventually fades, leaving them spiritually blind and lost in darkness. Allah emphasizes that true guidance comes only from Him. Self-made light is an illusion. It may glow briefly, but it cannot replace the eternal clarity of faith. What this ayah says: worldly pursuits without divine guidance lead to spiritual emptiness. Arrogance and self-reliance are like a dying fire. They leave us lost. True light is found in humility, Quranic wisdom, and reliance on Allah. Remember, Allah's guidance is like the sun. It never stops shining. Let's all try to walk in His light and avoid the flickering flames of temporary fixes. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more lessons that make the Quran relatable and inspiring.